88.1 FM Paborito.
Ito ang Aligwas, Pangasinan, Ilocano. Balita, talakayan at serbisyo publiko sa radyo. Aligwas, Pangasinan, Ilocano. Samahan ang maestro ng balita at impormasyon na si Jonathan Ortega. Aligwas, Pangasinan, Ilocano. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 5 hanggang alas 6:30 ng gabi. Dito lamang sa DWJE 88.1 FM, Radyo Pangasinan. Aligwas, Pangasinan, Ilocano. Narito na si kapaboritong Jonathan Ortega.
Maligwas ang araw, Pangasinan! At syempre po, tayo po ay nagbabalik dito sa programang Aligwas, Pangasinan, Ilocano. At kasama po natin si Dr. Ashok Vasandani, ang CEO and philanthropist. No? Talaga pong tumutulong, no, sa atin po mga kapaboritong nangangailangan talaga. No? Mapa-health, no? Advice. Kaya nga, since 2004 pa. No, good afternoon, Dr. Ashok Vasandani.
Yeah.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon, brother. Jonathan, napakaganda naman. Again, you invite me to be here with you and of course to all of our listeners sa mga DWZE 88.1 FM. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. At maraming salamat.
Opo, syempre this is your second home eh.
Yeah, although last few weeks pinag-usapan natin but due to some hectic schedules,
Yes.
medyo hindi ako nakapunta. My sincere apology for that. Alam mo naman, hindi ako marunong magtanggi.
Opo.
Kung may opportunity to say something and to enlighten someone, it's a golden opportunity in my life.
Yes, no.
So, thank you very much for the invitation again.
And thank you. At sa napaka-hectic na schedule ni Dr. Ashok Vasandani, ay maganda yung kanilang maibabalita sa atin ngayon, mga kapaborito. Kasi si Dr. Ashok Vasandani, aside from yung mga parangal noon ng Dagupan City, at ng Rotary ba yun? Yung isang awards. Ito po meron na naman.
Yung unang award ko is Gintong Parangal.
Yon, Gintong Parangal.
Yung is one of the national award binigay sa atin ng August 19.
Oho.
Then September 25, natanggap ko na yung kagalang-galang na award na ito, yung international award sa Thailand.
Yon. Ito yung Asia's Most Outstanding
Leadership
Achievement.
and Humanitarian Award.
Oo, no? At ang nagbigay nito ang Thailand
Yes po.
International Leadership Awards 2023.
Yes
At
po.
bakit naman naabot tayo ng Thailand?
Actually, honestly speaking, my life is like a mango.
Oh,
Yung
bakit?
seed of mango.
Okay.
When you plant the seed, you do not know how long it will take to grow that tree and to have a fruit of mango. Same things naman yan, I start working for the community about 40 years ago. Continuous doing every now and then, but I'm not expecting in return anything.
Yeah, oo.
So, here comes, when I reach about 60 years old, there were someone nominate my name
Yeah.
sa Gintong Parangal. And that Gintong Parangal organizers, they were able to see my activities here in Pangasinan, not only in Pangasinan, entire Region 1, if possible even out of Region 1.
Oo.
If there is, we can extend our helping hand why not? So, they come to me. They call me, but I was trying to avoid because I thought it's like parang scam.
Oh, I see.
So, iniiwasan ko until one of my very good friend, board member BC Bentanelli approached me and told me, brother, they are calling you and you are not entertaining their call. I said, I'm afraid because nowadays, the hacker.
Yes,
So,
that's true, no? At least you're very careful.
Inaano ko naman. Sabi na, no, brother, I know these people.
Authentic
Especially si
yan.
Dr. Abuan. So, here comes, I entertain them and I call them and I listen whatever they were telling me.
Yes, oo.
So, when I went there in Manila, they were able to check my lifestyle, the basic information they got, how I'm moving for the community, what I'm doing for the community.
Okay.
So here comes, they refer me for the international award. Not only international award, also they also refer my name in Asia. Most outstanding humanitarian hero award yesterday I received in Alabang, Manila.
This is Asia's Humanitarian Hero Awards
Yes po,
2023.
yes po, yes po.
Back to back
Yesterday,
na naman.
yeah. Sabi naman isang kaibigan ko, magkano binayaran mo?
Oh, may ganon.
I'll go back to the original talk, yung seed of mango.
Yes.
Yung kaibigan ko sabi niya, magkano binayaran mo?
Uh-huh.
Sabi ko, alam mo, yung mango tree, magkano bang binibili natin? Piso, 2 piso, 5 piso, 10 piso. Di ba? Yung buto niya, tinatapon natin na mango.
Oo.
Yun lang. Hinahagis natin, tapos inaalaga natin, dinidilig natin, at binibigyan natin ng, alam mo, yung mga fertilizers, tsaka yung mga, yung every now and then, we take care about that
Yung
seed.
mga pesticides, di ba?
There will be a day, unti-unti lalaki naman yan.
Yes.
And here comes, after 5 years, 6 years, you are able to taste that fruit, what we call the mango. Same things naman here in these awards naman yan. Kung kailan ako umabot na 60, doon ako nakakatanggap ng tawag. Bibigyan nila ako ng karangalan. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
ang payment ko naman yan is not cash. My payment is act
Uh-huh.
of the humanitarian. Because
Yes.
the humanitarian word comes from the human.
Yes, oo.
The first 5 letters, if you will see in the humanitarian, that's a human. So being a human, is it not our duty to help our neighbors?
Yes.
Yung neighbors like yung mga soul to soul. Ang
Community.
pinag-usapan yung neighbor, like love your neighbor as you love yourself. We are calling about the soul we meet, we encounter. And we were able to accomplish whatever he's asking from us. He's asking, we should follow.
Tayo instrument,
We should not ask
no?
our asking, we should follow his asking. He is our creator. And if he has chosen you to be a humanitarian, you should. Like in school, there are 1,000 students. They are choosing only few teachers.
Oo.
So in this our human life naman, he has chosen only few. And I'm also one of the luckiest guy there in Pew that he chose me and he give it to me the opportunity to serve. Serving a mankind is a very good gift given by Almighty God to me.
Correct.
Because what I know, human life is a gift. And when we are talking about the gift is wrapped with a beautiful wrapper. And when you are giving someone, he is so excited to see that gift. He won't care about how long it took you to wrap that gift. Immediate he open. And whatever you give it to him, he appreciate.
Yes.
And
oo.
he care. Someone will approach him and tell him that even a small hankis, he will tell, akin na ito. He will not give. Because that's a gift.
Yes.
So he cared the gift like boyfriend, girlfriend. Binigyan mo na isang maliit lang na bagay lang yan. Kahit na isang simpleng bagay lang. Yung inaalaga mo at inaasikaso mo yung gift. That's why the word is gift is very spiritual word. Not everyone can give a gift. Not everyone can receive a gift.
Tama.
The most important thing gift is in this world is a time.
Yes.
Can you share your time to someone, especially to whom you do not know?
Correct.
But because of your sharing time with him and listening his side and doing something, helping him to recover from these kinds of mga, like yung mga stress, like yung mga something mga, like mga so many problems, that's a wonderful gift.
Yes.
If you are able to help that person to get out from these kinds of mga narrow thoughts and mga narrow minds, and he's able to go back in normal life, that's a wonderful gift.
Pero kayo, sir, 24/7, ano? You're up 24/7. Meron ba yung panahon, syempre, no? Bumagyo, umaraw, bumaha. Meron ba kayo nasabing, parang gusto ko magpahinga? May sumingit bang ganon sa isipan ninyo?
Actually, as I say you, it's not me. It's he. I never do something to someone. It is he who is giving me the opportunity to do something for someone. Kaya I cannot say that it's me who is doing.
Yes.
Tsaka, regarding sa pagod na ako, no, automatically the strength, when you are seeing someone is happy to entertain you, to give you a time, to listen you, and to sit with you, sit beside you, ano na rin yan, mahalaga na rin yan.
Yes, oo, no?
You know, there is a person, he don't want to listen. Even how wonderful talks you want to share, he will not listen. You need yung parang compatible person, like you want to share something, there is a person who should also listen your talks naman yan. And while sharing your talks is good enough. That's why, you know, I'm a specialist in psychology.
Uh-huh.
You know, this is the title I got from the Region 1 Medical Center. My main motto is here, we are not ill by physically. We are ill by our mentally thoughts. The 50% mentally thoughts is giving it to us, the negativities, that I am sick, I am sick, I am sick. Then, I'm sorry to say, you are talaga sick.
Oo.
Because it's in your mind.
Psychosomatic.
And you know, the psychological way, it will
Yeah.
affect your mind, it will affect your all the regular activities.
Ng
Like,
body.
gusto mo rin matulog, hindi ka makakatulog.
Yeah.
Gusto mo rin kain, hindi ka rin makakakain. Gusto mo rin kilos, wala. Kahit na may lakad ka, your body is there, but your mind is not with you.
It's lost.
So, what to do to help a person to go back to the normal life? And you know, you're not helping one person, you are helping one family. And remember that when one family is suffering from because of one person, it's something terrible. Kaya kailangan we should come forward to help that person to accept from that kinds of mga mentally thoughts which is putting in his mind. Kung bumalik siya, then we should be thankful to the God.
Yes.
It's not you, it's He. Because the power of tongue, He will be the one to give it to you.
Correct. Oo naman.
It's not you, it's He. Each and every word what I'm saying to you, it's not me. It's He. Right now, I have so many guests continuous because several days I was not able to perform in my business. So there were so many. But I said, I have a commitment with my brother Jonathan.
Opo.
You know, the meaning of the commitment is commitment.
Yes, oo.
I cannot say I'm busy. No.
It's
I'm
a
sorry.
binding word, no?
So, here comes, because of little effort from house up to here in your respected station, here I am with you,
Opo.
sharing with you to be very careful. We should not dribble that ball in our life. We should be very careful while playing with the ball. Because life is like a ball. We have to play such a way so we can accomplish the goal. And once we are able to finish that goal, then again we have another plan that how we will go back again to make another goal.
Correct.
This is what we call vision and mission.
Oh, VMV.
You have to put in your mind that vision that I will make today minimum 20 points. That's in your mind.
Yes.
And now your body function will help you to accomplish your vision. And when you hit that 20 points, mission accomplishment. Everybody will appreciate you. Everybody will come forward to say something. Oh, carry on. You are the best player.
Correct.
So be a best player in your life. Everything is in our hand. Why to go far? Why to think negative thoughts in our mind?
Oo.
Kaya nasa sa atin lahat. The joy is not outside. The joy is here inside. But the problem is here. The joy name is parang a girl.
Aha.
A person went out to look for a joy. I'm so sorry and I'm so sad to say. The real joy is your own wife. Sit with your own wife. Sit with her and talk with her. Everything you will get, whatever you want. The peace of mind, you will get it. But out of another joy you will go, you will get stress in your life.
A happy wife is...
That's why somebody said me, who is behind about this mga awards?
Yeah, oo nga. Oo nga.
To me,
Who's behind?
what I can say, every man's success there is woman behind. Before, I know what I used to be. I used to drink, I used to eat, I used to play, I gamble. But the day I got married with my only one, my beautiful wife, Kanchan, a very simple lady, her entrance in my life give it to me something like a miracle. Automatically, it's like parang alam mo yung the miracle stone,
Mhm.
the iron cannot be a gold.
Mhm.
You have to remove the dust of the
Mhm.
iron. So when this miracle stone will touch that iron, it will become a gold.
Oh.
So my wife Kanchan, actually Kanchan name is a gold.
Yun ang ibig
Oh,
sabihin
it is a
kay Ma'am
meaning.
Kanchan.
It is in our Indian philosophy.
Language,
They say gold. When she entered in my life,
Mm-mm.
every now and then, she never forced to me. Very smooth way, keep smiling, keep shining. Every now and then, helping me to go with the system until I realize that I'm here
Opo.
not to entertain myself.
Mhm.
I'm here to entertain everyone who will be a part of my life,
Mm-mm.
who will enter in my life, will come if I can do something.
Correct. At syempre marami po siguro sa inyo din diyan, 'di ba? Merong reason behind, no, yung mga inyong successes. Meron kayong pinag-aalayan na inspirasyon. It's either your wife, your children, your parents, 'di ba? Ito si Dr. Ashok, syempre napakarami na rin pong natutulungan, no? And he never asked for anything in return, no? Ang gusto lang po nila yung ripple effect. Kung ikaw natulungan, siguro kaysa ibalik mo yung tulong sa kanila, i-forward mo yan, pay it forward sa ibang tao na nangangailangan ng tulong mo.
This is like a pyramid. 1:2, 2:4. When you're doing something to someone, do not expect in return. But that someone to whom you help,
Oo.
remember that, to whom you help, he will do with others what you did to him.
Mm-mm.
It's like parang reflection yan. Hindi mo na nakikita kung anong ginawa niya na sa'yo. Pero yung ginawa niya na sa'yo, gagawin mo na rin sa iba.
Sa iba. Correct.
This is life. Be a good example. Be a good something yung parang beautiful gift to somebody's life.
Correct. No. And I'm
You
sure
can
you
be.
have inspired a lot of people, no?
Actually,
and yung mga buhay nila.
everybody is inspiring me.
It's the other way around. No?
You know, when I'm looking someone, automatically, you know, the yung reflection up there, yung mga, yung what they are trying to do with me, it reflect and automatically we come to the point naman yan, oh, this is the way we should work together.
Okay.
Kasi this is a team unity.
No.
The person has a problem and I have the solution. Kailangan dapat mag-joint naman.
Correct.
Parang we can come up naman yan. While I'm helping this person, I'm learning a lesson in my life.
Tama.
Like a teacher, before he go to the class to teach a student, he study first. So when I'm helping someone, I'm having a better idea and I'm thinking how I can make much more better ideas to help more people.
So, bawat taong tinutulungan is unique at merong kanya-kanyang learning yun. Ano? At ganun din siguro, ako rin No, hindi lahat ng natutulungan natin ay pare-pareho, no, yung kanilang predicament sa buhay. May iba't ibang pinanggagalingan. Kaya yung iba kung minsan alam nyo, magko-complain tayo yung tricycle driver napakasungit, no. Kung kayo naman ay nakakaintindi, tulong niyo na sa kanya siguro yun na intindihin siya, baka may pinagdadaanan no.
Actually, you mentioned about tricycle driver yung masungit. You know, due to the financial crisis.
Oo.
And due to this mga so much asking from the family, a single person is working. Now he cannot face the scoop. There where he lost a hope and he's thinking, this is the end of the life. But remember that yung masungit is not the solution. Create such a wonderful smile and your face with a smiling face automatically will attract all the passengers will come to you.
Correct.
And you will be wondering where there you are earning 100 pesos, you will earn 300 pesos.
Yes, oo.
But keep faith on Him. The day when you don't receive something, do not lose hope. Think tomorrow will be the best day for me.
Think positive, no?
Exactly. The problem is here. When you are not able to accomplish a goal for the today, you're thinking tomorrow is also the same. Remember that each and every second, you are having a new breath in your life.
Correct. It's
You know,
already a
God
gift,
give it
ah.
to you a bountiful breath.
Mm-mm.
You do not know. A billions of breaths He give it to you. Every day we are having 23,000 breaths in our life.
What?
You know, we are so lucky. There are people, they are in hospital, they are looking for the oxygen.
Mm.
They are paying even 10,000 pesos, even 15,000
oxygen
pesos
tank, no?
to avail the tank to have some breath.
Mm.
Here comes someone, God give it to us, a very wonderful, a free gift. Every breath He's giving it to us, free.
Mm.
And still we are complaining. We should be thankful to the God.
Mm-mm.
Now, when God give it to you the trial about tricycle driver, kung hindi natugma yung araw na yan, hindi naging successful, look forward.
Yes. There's
Keep
always
smiling.
another day para bumawi, no? Keep smiling, tama. Keep your kindness.
And remember that
Mm.
when you are in problem,
No.
God is testing your faith.
Yeah, oo nga. Parang may nabasa ako ganyan
I'm
din,
telling
no?
you, God is so clever.
Mm.
He knows what His children want.
Mm.
But His system is something different.
Mm.
His system is He's watching now.
Yeah.
How deep faith do you have
Mhm.
for Him? And someone will approach you
Mm.
and will fulfill your things you are asking. Then what is your next move? You are telling, thank you so much for helping me.
Yes.
But who sent this person to you in your life? You forget to say thanks.
Kay God, di ba?
It's God who sent this person. Even this person is also in puzzle. How came I became a part of this person?
Naging instrument siya eh.
That's why
Mm.
sometimes you might be wondering, you are not expecting someone in your life.
Opo.
You are struggling, you are having lots of headache.
Mm.
And there comes, someone come forward
Opo.
and say, I can help you. I can do. You are now having a new faith, new hope.
Yes, no?
You know, the hope is a cigarette.
Oo nga, opo.
HOP.
Uh-huh.
But the same cigarette in our life. Now, sindi mo yung cigarette na hope in your life.
Mhm.
Then now you just enjoy.
Mm.
Automatically your things will be the way you are expecting.
Yeah. Oo.
But there is a time you have to wait.
For the proper time, no?
You cannot ask at once.
Mm-mm.
Like when you are planting a seed, it takes several years before he will give it to you
The fruit. Yeah.
The tree will give it to you the fruit after certain waiting period.
Mhm.
So here comes in our life, so many things happen.
Mhm.
Just wait.
Yeah.
When this trial movement cannot stay for a long time,
Mhm.
I'm sure happiness will knock and it will come in your life.
Yung,
Ano lang naman yan? Only be patient.
yes. And
But
God
you
is
know-
great, di ba?
When somebody is telling be patient, the B is so slow, the person cannot hear. What he hear about the patient. You know the meaning of the patient is you are in hospital
Pasyente, oo.
because you're mentally ill.
Mhm.
You should be a part of the hospital.
Mhm.
But no, the patient means be patient, relax, think positively.
Mhm.
Things will come what you are not expecting. Like to me, these prestigious awards I never expect in my life.
Well, after 60 years, sir,
And you know, to me, I'm proud to say to the community,
Mm.
to all my friends, if Ashok can achieve this award,
Yeah.
you can be a next in line. You can be a part of this kinds of prestigious award.
Correct.
What you have to do, just move on, do something to someone.
Mhm.
Do not think that what will you get,
After helping. Oh,
what the person will get while you are helping to him.
correct. Mm-mm.
Do not expect in return for yourself.
Mm-mm.
Expect that because of your little act, someone is getting out of that kind of thoughts which he's having in his life.
Mm.
That's why the time is a very meaningful
Mm-mm.
to each and every one lives.
Correct.
Every relationship, you need a time.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes your wife want to say you something,
Mm.
but you say, I'm busy. We will talk later. Later, you go home, you sleep.
Tulog na.
Wife cannot say something.
Mm-mm.
Again, the next morning, you say, I'm in hurry.
Mhm.
Wife say, I prepare for you a breakfast. I'm so sorry. I'll take breakfast outside. You don't care about for the relationship.
Yeah.
She wake up early, she prepare a food for you,
Mm.
expecting that you will eat that food and she will say something to you. Sweetheart, we have so and so issue in our family. You cannot share a time because you are busy. Then there will be a time the wife will get headache and will say goodbye.
Parang na-home run ako dun.
Why to reach that place? Why to reach that point? I'm telling you, not even single wife is here to cheat his husband. Sometimes we boys, we have too much ego in our mind. We thought, ako lang,
Oo.
wala na siya. Ibibigay natin ng panahon sa atin yung kaisa-isa sa buhay natin.
Correct. Oo.
Remember that, pag binigyan mo na time, the real joy will enter in your life.
O, di ba? Nakikita ni Doc Ashok yun. Meron nata siyang X-ray vision sa aking isip at puso,
Hindi.
di ba?
to you naman yan, every now and then I say you naman yan.
Oo.
I know. You are a victim of that some circumstance in your life which happened, which you are not expecting.
Yes,
Because
no?
I
These
know,
are trials.
I know you are a true lover boy, true person to your family, but you know you may say you may not say that's God's will. God has planned for you, and remember that the next to whom you are gonna meet will heal that wound. And you will be so happy again in your life. Think positively. Di ba, minsan, during my young age,
Opo.
I'm telling you, I got a girlfriend. She left me because of America.
Okay.
I became a rebelde.
Oo.
I say all girls are same. I don't want to make love affairs with everyone. Anyone. Iniiwasan ko. Until I meet with my wife, she became my 32. 31 I reject.
Uh-huh.
32, when I meet with her, I do not know what happened, how it happened. Within few seconds,
There's a miracle, di ba?
yun na yung aura niya.
Yeah.
You see, now we have spent 36 years.
Oh,
And we are approaching for the 37th year.
And syempre, si Ma'am Kanchan is a gift, di ba?
Kaya na nga, she gave it to me a wonderful family, my 4 children.
Oo.
3 became a professor, and 1 law graduate. Soon he will give also exam.
Yes.
And I told him, after giving the exam, your next duty is to help those people who cannot afford to pay the legal
maganda
charges.
yan.
Nowadays, there are some people, they don't have money.
Yes, oo.
Now,
Oo.
what
They
you
cannot
will
afford
do,
a lawyer.
you will serve the people without accepting even single cents.
Oo, pro bono, no?
Remember that. If you are able to save someone from this
Injustice.
from this kinds of mga testimony of mga fake witnesses, and because of your little move you are able to save someone life, it will be a wonderful gift to you.
Yes. No?
That's why I shared 2 books to the Justice Hall. One is Drugs Above the Law.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Our respected Judge Llamas
Ah.
is the author of that book. And second one is How to Catch a Liar.
Okay.
That How to Catch a Liar naman, there are some concept naman yan. When you will read, you will be knowing that how to read the face. The face reading. If the fake witness will say something, again you will come forward to come up with such a way, and you will bump him, and that person will tell the truth.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, sometime when I go to the BJMP, when I start going in BJMP 2004,
I remember that.
people, they say,
We went there also during Christmas.
I'm a victim.
Oh.
But I say, naman, you're not a victim. Maybe in your past life, you have did something. You're paying now because of your past life.
Na tinakasan niya, no?
So to me naman yan, if you're there, you don't want to be there, but you are there.
Yeah.
Just wait. Someone will come, will help you, bring you out, and after that you will be a good example to the community, and you will explain to the community what is the life in the jail.
Pwede namang nakakulong yung kanilang physical na katawan, pero yung kanilang isipan, yung kanilang kalooban ay malaya, no? And
You know,
they
their
should
advocacy as a prisoner, when they will go out, they can be a very good example to the community.
Yung reformation.
Like, alam mo, most of these mga good people, they became a preacher.
Okay.
Most of them.
Good example sila,
Yeah.
sir, no?
Kasi they have enough time to read the books.
Uh-huh.
Before, outside, they don't have time.
Sa bagay.
But here comes someone, they are reading. So, nakikita ko na rin yan. No?
O nga naman. Kayo
Kaya na-
talaga. You can always put humor, no? Dun sa mga bagay na ganyan.
This is like Amazing Grace song.
Aha.
When you listen the Amazing Grace song lines,
Mm-mm.
how sweet the song.
Oh, hindi ako familiar doon eh.
Kaya
Pero
na,
naririnig ko
these
lang.
amazing songs naman yan, Amazing Grace songs, will enlighten you.
Mm-mm.
I was once lost, but now I'm fine.
Oo.
Was blind, but now I can see.
No.
You see the line.
Mm.
If you will listen the line very carefully, and you will be knowing the meaning of that line. That's why, sometimes we hear that song as a song.
Mhm.
But if you will put it in spiritual way, there is a deep meaning in each and every song.
Oo.
Like one of the beautiful song by Martin Rivera.
Mhm.
Martin
Alin
Rivera.
yun? Alin yun?
Ikaw ang lahat sa akin.
Oh, I see. That's very
Ikaw
nice.
ang lahat
no?
sa akin kahit ikay wala sa akin feeling.
Mhm.
Isang magandang alaala, paano mapipigil ang isang damdamin kung ang sinisigaw, ikaw ang lahat sa akin. This song is not belong to a lovebird. This song is belong to the God.
Mm.
When you're
Praise
struggling
Him.
in your life, when you're someone very special in your life to whom you love
Aha.
is suffering from certain pain,
Mm.
nobody's here to help. Even how much money you will pay,
Mhm.
but still that person cannot get out of that problem.
Opo.
Here comes. You pray
Mhm.
and God help. You get out from that trouble naman yan. There where you will say,
Mhm.
paano mapipigil ang isang damdamin? Kung ang sinisigaw, ikaw ang lahat sa akin.
Di
Kasi
ba?
God is so good.
Mm.
We
Another
should
eye-opener
not
yan,
ask
ha?
God so many things. We should keep on saying, whatever you give, we will accept with a smiling face. There should be no any question while He's giving it to you.
Oh. Mm.
Some, you say, wala naman ginagawa, pero tingnan mo, daming biyaya naman dumadating sa buhay niya.
Mhm.
Ako naman, trabaho ko na trabaho, kayod ako na kayod. But wala. You do not know what is His purpose for you.
We should always trust in His wisdom, di ba? Hindi natin
I
alam yung
remember.
plano niya, di ba?
I remember what I used to be and what I am now.
Mm-mm. Kaya,
You know,
you're one, you're
I'm one of the
best
one
example.
of the great recipient from our Almighty God.
Mm.
A simple mean,
Mm.
believe.
Mm.
But if you don't believe, then I'm so sad to say.
Mm. Yeah.
Everything is in our hand if we took it in positive way. But if you took it that talk is in negative way, then you say there is no chance to recover.
Mm-mm.
Diba minsan, each and every operation, each and every sa mga doctors, when you're going,
Mhm.
after he's doing his performance, he say a very beautiful line.
Mhm.
Please pray for that patient.
Mhm.
How about if I will pray, what did you do? He say, I did my job. Now it's your job to pray.
Mhm.
So God will extend His life through us. Doctor is using through us. He want to let us pray for that person to recover.
Mhm. Correct.
So
Oo.
everything what we need in our life is a prayer.
Mm-mm. Dok, shock, no? Maiba naman tayo. Siyempre, marami talagang pinagdaraanan, di ba, ang bawat isa. Pero
Okay.
siyempre, yung mga malakihan, communities, like for example, dito sa Dagupan City, na may mga political na squanders, di ba? Siyempre, may mga hindi pagkakaunawaan. Ano yung nakikita nyo dito? What's your foresight? Tungkol dito? And kahapon, napirmahan na yung budget, di ba?
Yeah, congratulations to Honorable Mayor Bilinti Fernandez,
Mm.
my manang, my ate. She sent me that post while I was in Thailand.
Mm-mm.
Nakita ko na. She was so happy. And I'm also so happy. I'm sure some of our friends, they got shocked. But that's God's will.
Mm.
Tanggapin na nila sa magaan ng loob. Total, hindi naman na pera na ito mga politiko. Pera ng mga taxpayer yan. Kailangan naman dapat yung bawat, yung atin yung kapatid natin, yung kababayan natin dito sa Dagupan, yung binayaran nila na buwis, binayaran nila ng mga taxes naman sa munisipyo, it's about time para maano naman nila. Saka yung away nila yan. Huwag nila idadamay sana yung syudad. Kasi kung tayo, papakita natin yung away tayo na away, what will be yung impression sa mga other places naman yan? Ay, Dagupan, puro gulo. Paano uunlad ang isang syudad kung lagi away kayo ng away? Parang pusa daga. Kailangan naman dapat iwanan na natin yung fried chicken natin.
Okay.
Alam mo yung fried chicken?
Yeah.
Hilaw, kulang sa luto. Pag kumain ka, kailangan mo na baskupan, kailangan mo ng omeprazole dahil hindi natulaw yung kinain mo.
Opo.
Kaya to me naman yan, yung atin yung mga kapatid, kung sakali nandyan na at pasado na, tanggapin nila na with a smiling face.
Don't you think that it is time for healing?
Yeah, actually, to me naman yan, I always offer this both side. Sitting and listening each other thoughts is much better than getting far from each other.
Okay.
Kasi we are getting far from each other because of the way I'm thinking, the way you are thinking. Kailangan dapat yung bibigyan natin ng each person enough time to express his side. Then come up naman yan that how I can come up with his way. And this person should be knowing that if he's coming me to with this way, I should come also with this way. Para mutual understanding mangyayari naman yan.
Oo nga.
Overall naman yan, you are chosen by the people.
Oo.
And
They're
you
mandated.
should respect the people's mga opinion, people's choice. When you are fighting with each other, everybody is getting hurt. Di ba? Like example, our mayor was able to get about 65% votes. Something like, this time she won about more than 14,000 plus votes. So, siyempre, yung mga nagboto sa kanya. Ngayon, yung mga hindi nagboto sa kanya, kawawa rin sila. Hindi nila alam kung ano gagawin nila para maging bahagi rin sila sa mga bagay na yan. Kasi, we cannot force someone to follow yung same place where I am following. Pero now naman yan, kalimutan na natin yung election. Kung hindi isipin natin, uupo tayo at bibigyan natin na isa-isa yung sapat ng yung panahon na para makikinig naman natin kung ano ang nasa damdamin mo at ano nasa damdamin ko. Yun lang ang gamot yan. Sitting is the best medicine. Ang problema naman yan, pag tinawagan mo, yung isa nakaupo, yung isa naman nakatayo. O ano gayon? Anong gusto mo? Is this the way you are asking yung solution? The solution is to come. Halika na. Pare-pares tayo pinili ng mga atin yung mga kababayan natin, yung mga voters natin dito sa Dagupan.
Kami
Yung
nga, nagsisindi na kami ng hope.
Actually na, kailangan nila na medication. I'm so sorry. You're already damaged. Yung mga iba, tingnan mo yung mga pumupunta na dialysis, ganito. Look back their lifestyle. Ano ba ginawa nila? They abuse. Now they are suffering. But if before, sa mga beginning lang, alam nila yung system of the life, kailangan dapat behave while eating, behave while sleeping, behave while talking. Ano na rin yan? Each and every place naman we have to behave. Pakain, dami. Eat all you can. Anong gusto mo? Gumastos ka na $299. Gusto mo kukunin na $598. Times 2.
Sobra, no?
Parang masaya ka. Kinain ko ito, kinain. But you do not know your body now is getting
Sick.
Problem. Hindi ka makakahingalo. Hindi ka makakakilos na normal because of too much eating. God give it to you the mouth. Bite. Alam mo yung moderately and very nice way.
You are
Piu-chow.
what you eat, no?
Piu-chow. Give yourself little time. Respect. Yun lang ang bagay naman yan. Kaya, kung binigay mo na respeto, do not look about you spend $299. Look, you are able to see lots of foods. And you are able to taste some foods. Okay na yan. Bawi na yan. Pero your target is to cover your $299, then I'm so sad to say, soon you will visit doctors and you will be paying thousands of bills.
Oo nga.
It is not doctor. It is your style, your habitual
Lifestyle.
moves.
Yung lifestyle.
Yun ang bike yan. So, let's hope and let's pray and let's congratulate our present government headed by our Mayor Bilinti Fernandez, and I'm sure our other bodies, they will also accept whatever. Now, nandiyan na yan.
Mhm.
Di dapat smiling face naman, sabihin naman nila, okay na yan. They were able to control something like parang 3 quarter.
Mhm.
First quarter, second quarter, third quarter. Oh, September 30. Ito, fourth quarter, tamang-tama, Berna.
Aberna. Oh, may
it's
magandang Pasko.
It's a Christmas gift to those they were expecting and they were waiting for such a long time.
Mm.
So, again, congratulate to each and every Dagupino for job well done. Pasado na yung budget. Sana masaya tayo itong Christmas.
Mhm.
At yung handog na Christmas yung binibigay sa atin na yung atin yung Mayor Bilin, dapat makipagbahagi rin tayo sa handog niya.
Ayan. Dr. Ashok, hingi na lang po kami ng inyong message, no? Para dun sa ating mga listeners na may maraming pinagdadaanan, tapos yung iba naman yung may mga tulad ninyo na na-acknowledge, no? Na-appreciate yung mga ginagawang humanitarian works. Ano yung mensahe niyo po sa kanila?
Actually, my message is very simple. We should make a system in our life. The system.
Mhm.
We are misleading our life system. If we follow the proper way and we follow the proper system, we will never mislead in our life. Ang problema naman natin yan, our expectation is too much. But in return, when we are not able to get that things what we are expecting, we get discouraged. So, to me naman yan, to each and every listeners, sana, if there is a things you are expecting and you are not getting, wait for the right time. Ang minsan kasabihan naman yung mango, hindi pa naman ng palit ng kulay, it's a green. What we call maasim.
Mm.
Your
Pwede.
teeth will get hurt.
Yeah.
Then even the next food you will eat, you cannot enjoy. Wait for the right time. Ang sa akin lang naman yan, one is the system. Second one is the time.
Mhm.
Time is a great gift given by our Almighty God. Wait for the right time. Wag mo gagamitin yung mga bagay like yung ginagawa nila ng manok. Yung 45 days nowadays, 21 days nakaka-harvest na sila.
Ang bilis, no?
Because of their own benefits, they don't care about who will eat this manok.
Mm-mm.
Who will eat this chicken will suffer later on from gastro, from hypertension, from high blood. Their little benefits is giving some stress to the people. Sana wag natin titignan yung kung anong malaking kikita natin. Kahit,
Oo.
alam mo yung malinis, galing sa yung talaga yung sa maayos yung pamamalakat natin sa hanabuhay. At nakakatulong rin tayo sa mga tao para matikman nila na kung ano dapat ang kailangan titikman nila.
Correct.
Kaya, don't lose hope. The hope is cigarette, but do not smoke that cigarette.
Yes.
That one will give a headache to you later, but the hope you are putting in your mind, someday, your expectation will be granted by Him, but little patient, little wait. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be with you this evening. Mabuhay yung ating mga listener na DWZI and magandang gabi sa atin lahat. Thank you.
Kami nga po ang dapat magpasalamat sa inyo, Dr. Ashok Masandani, dahil you've given us your precious time. Alam ko, pagod na pagod kayo sa biyahe, no? At imbis na you're with your loving wife, Ma'am Kanchan, and your loving family, nandito po kayo sa akin. Kaya natuwa ako nung nag-text po si Dr. Ashok Masandani kagabi na kita-kits, sabi niya, I see you tomorrow. Sabi niya, wow, nice, no? Thank you very much po. At maisingit nyo ako sa inyong hectic schedule. Ayun po mga kapaborito, ha? So, yung mga tinuturo po sa atin, yun ay ating isa puso, no? Pag-isipan nyo, you should have time to ponder, di ba? Pag-isipan mabuti. At yung mga pagsubok na dumarating dyan, galing din yan sa Diyos, di ba? At yan ay pagsubok, ibig sabihin, just to test you, di ba? At yan, may mga learnings. Kailangan naiintindihan natin yung mga learnings. Kailangan maisip natin yan, no? At yung negativity, mabawasan natin, turn it into positivity. At syempre, gayon nga, ang dami nating natutunan, no? Yung lesson ng mango, yung time, di ba? Ay, naku, yan yung mga precious na hindi nyo naman naririnig, no? kahit tayo, no, may mga families tayo, we don't hear them say yung mga ganyan mga payo. Kaya ito mga payo po ni Dr. Ashok, let us pray na continuous yung pagbibigay nila ng mga humanitarian aids, humanitarian efforts sa mga kapaborito nating nangangailangan, doon sa mga kapaborito nating may problema sa isip, no, na nagkukos ng problema sa kanilang katawan. Sana ay nakinig po kayo ngayong araw, ngayong gabi, para magkaroon po ng lunas, no? Magkaroon ng kaliwanagan yung inyong isip. Always pray. No, yan yung life hack natin, praying, no? At syempre may makikinig po sa atin. Kanina nga pinag-uusapan natin yung kasi piyesta ng Archangel ngayon. No? Napahaba na yung aking sinasabi. Once again, maraming salamat sa ating special guest kay Dr. Ashok Basandani for taking his time at pumisita po sa atin. Kaya, mga kapaborito, oras po natin ay 6:13 na in the evening. Thank you very much po sa inyong panahon sa pakikinig at panonood. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang programang Aligwas, Pangasinan, Ilocano. Kita-kita po ulit tayo. Magkarinigan ulit tayo sa darating na Lunes. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi, kapaborito.